Hi! In front of me is TCL Tab 10L, and today I would like to show you where you can access all typing features on this tablet. You need to begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down. Now tap on System and Languages and Input. Then select Virtual Keyboard and Gboard. So click Gboard over here. Then you need to click on Text Correction. As you can see, all typing features are located here. If you wish to switch on or off one of them, just click on the switcher next to the chosen one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!